He was my leader. He was the leader of all the Mujahideen, and he was the one that he was against the communist regime, and also that he was a standby and he was fighting against him. The time that I'm saying his name, I'm feeling that he was my fighters right behind me during the jihad time, and that reminds me the time that I was fighting against the communists.
Colonel Rajab Khan was a member of Massoud's army and today is a commander in the Afghan National Army. He celebrated the day with members of Provincial Reconstruction Team Panjshir at Massoud's tomb in Bazarak village.
I've been to Massoud's tomb 6 times, and this is by far the most spectacular. To be there with many Afghans, but also come there and to pay the respects to a great warrior, great leader, and a visionary.
Massoud was assassinated 2 days before the 9/11 attacks.
Ahmad Shah Massoud is, as I said, a hero to many Afghans, but especially to the people of this province. He continues to be very much a part of their lives, in their hearts. And to see us honor him, we are honoring them and their traditions, their culture.
Every September, Afghans from around the country travel to Bazarak village to commemorate their hero, Ahmad Shah Massoud. Tech Sergeant Catherine Carbolito, Bazarak, Afghanistan.